Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a little mini project where we grab a news feed, and what I'm going to do here, first of all I'm going to import OS, which you need to import, and then you need to install feed parser, the feed parser module here, and you do this by going into your terminal and typing pip install feed parser and then hitting enter, and it will install it for you. Also you can import the time module, and the feed link that we're going to use, where we're going to grab the feed from, is a news link from the BBC. So first of all, what I've done is I've created a variable here called path to my desktop path. So my desktop path is C users mark desktop. Your desktop path is going to be different to this, so make sure that you get your own unique desktop path. Then what we do is we change into that desktop path, and we do that by doing os.chdir, which stands for change directory, into that path, so it will change us into that path. Now I'm going to create a function called RSS feed. I'm going to create a variable here called RSS, and that's going to be URL. Assign that to input here, and tell the user what to do, because this is where we grab the input from the user. Enter RSS feed. So we're going to enter the RSS feed link into there, which is going to be the one above, and then what we do is we create another variable called feed. And then what we do is we assign it to feed parser dot parse. That's going to be RSS URL. Okay, so we're going to parse the RSS feed there. Okay, what we're going to do, we're going to create a for loop. So we're going to go for, we're going to create a variable here called link in feed dot entries, and what I'm going to do there is I'm going to tell it to grab me 10 entries, so it will pull in 10 entries for me. Right, we're going to print a message to the user, saving to file, because we're going to save this to a text file on the desktop. And then what we use is time here, so we go time.sleep. This will pause it, and I'm going to pause it for 1 second so it looks like it's working. Then we're going to create the text file, and we do that using with open, and we're going to name the text file. I'm just going to call it something like RSS feed.txt, and then we're going to use the A flag here, which means append. So we're going to append more than one feed to it, more than one URL. So as file object. Okay, then we're going to use file object dot write. Oops. And that's going to be link dot title. So we're going to write in the link and the title into there. Then we're going to concatenate it with a new line here. So write it on a new line. So that's going to write the title in. Then we're going to do another file object dot write. Again, we're going to do link. We're going to concatenate it again and join it with a new line here. And all we have to do now is call the program. So call the program by calling it by its name, which is RSS feed, and we just save it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy that because that's the feed that I want to enter in there. So I'm just going to copy this. Just going to run the program. Okay, let's make it a little bit bigger. Enter RSS feed. Okay, hit enter. Save into file. Okay, got a little bit of an error there. Okay, that should have been link. Got all about that. Dot link. Okay, so that's looking better. So let's save it and let's run it. Again, we're going to paste this in. Okay, hit enter. Save into file. Save into file. Okay, so it's going to do that 10 times because we're saving 10 feeds. File. Okay, that's finished. We should have a file now on the desktop. Let's go and check that out. Yep, there we go. RS feed. Okay, and let's have a look at that. So there we go. We've got all the RS feeds there, all the links. We've got 10 of them. So there you go, folks. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that. Remember, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. Give it a big thumbs up. And yeah, I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.